Hello, my name is Ashley, and in this video, I'm going to show you a trick for saving preview JPEGs for multiple Photoshop files. So instead of having to open each of these PSDs, I am going to use Adobe Bridge to export JPEG files. So in your native file explorer, you can only see the Photoshop icons. So navigate to the folder where your Photoshop files are, and selecting all of them, right-click and go to Export to, Custom Export. And I'm fine with saving in the original file location. I would like the format to be a JPEG and the quality. And I would like to resize these to, let's say, 1280 for the maximum size of either the width or height, whichever is greater, and 72 dpi, which is screen resolution, and start export. And after those are finished exporting, you can keep them the same name, or I'm going to batch rename them by selecting all of them and going to Tools, Batch Rename, and I want to rename in the same folder and use the existing file name in its original form. And then I added a plus sign, and I have added text at the end, -preview. So when I rename all of these, and now in my Finder window, I can easily see the thumbnails without having to open all the Photoshop files.